All right, this is how to quickly enable Sudo, all right, in Windows 11. This is important for developers, all right? So let's go. Click on this settings, on this start, all right? Once you click on start, click here and type settings, all right? Settings. Okay, select the best match by clicking on it. On this settings page, click on system. Then scroll down on this system page until you get to advanced. Okay, look at it here, click on it. On this advanced page, scroll down until you get to this section, enable sudo. And look at what it says here. Enable the sudo command. Running the sudo command could expose your device and personal data to security risk or harm your device. So if you don't want to be using this always, after you turn it on by clicking on this, all right, later you can turn it off. You say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So it's as simple as that. But anytime you don't want to use it again, click on this button and it will be turned off. So with this, we have enabled sudo, which is part of developer settings on Windows 11.